that 9,000 homes were destroyed by Cyclone Tracy, or 3/4 of Darwin's housing. A little under 3,000 can be repaired. The most immediate task now is to weatherproof the habitable dwellings as quickly as possible. So far, more than 650 have been completed, but there's at least 2,300 with little or no roof at all. And it's in these days between November and March. Some seized to Darwin Hospital in fear that another cyclone could strike. In the past week, more than 10 inches of rain have fallen, hampering attempts by workmen to get on with the cleanup and weatherproofing program. In spite of the naval carrier HMAS Melbourne run a shuttle service to Darwin carrying building materials. The Melbourne is one of 12 vessels in the harbour, providing more than 1,200 seamen to assist in the cleanup. The hotel lost its roof during the cyclone. Activity is returning to Darwin. Each day, another store or business opens its doors to meet the increasing needs of residents. The big occasion this week was the reopening of Woolworths in Kavanagh Street. Within a few minutes, scores of people had invaded the supermarket, buying anything from soap to shoes and overalls. 74 emblazoned on the front. Hundreds have been sold, mainly to people flown to Darwin to help in the restoration.